Voicing for grammar. In the history of the English language, voicing was used for grammar purposes, such as to change the part of speech and to make a plural noun form. Regarding the change of the part of speech, voicing can change a noun into a verb or an adjective into a verb. From noun to verb. These are examples where voicing was used to make a noun to a verb. From fa to va. Belief, believe. Life, live. Proof, prove. Strife, strive. Thief, thieve. Half, have. Safe, save. Grief, grieve. From the to the. Bath, bathe. Breath, breathe. Mouth, mouth. To move lips. Sheath, sheathe. Wreath, wreathe. Loath, loathe. Teeth, teeth. For a baby to grow teeth. From s to z. Abuse, abuse. House, house. Misuse, misuse. Excuse, excuse. Use, use. In the examples with from s to z, the noun and verb forms have the same spelling but differ in voicing. From adjective to verb. In the following examples, the adjective and verb form have the same spelling but differ in voicing. From s to z. Close, close. Diffuse, diffuse. From singular to plural. Voicing was also used to make the plural noun forms, as these examples show. Knife, knives. Leaf, leaves. Wife, wives. The following words in their singular forms end with the th sound, but in their plural forms, they can be pronounced either voiced, ths, or voiceless, ths. For instance, bath can be said either as bæths or bæðz. These are such words: bath, bæths, bæðz. Mouth, mouths, mouths. Oath, oaths, oaths. Path, paths, paths. Truth, truths, truths. Youth, youths, youths.